Hey there, food lovers. I don't think people understand how easy it is to make a delicious casserole. Jimmy here. And today, I'm going to show you how to make the best hamburger potato casserole you've ever tasted. Trust me, your taste buds are in for a wild ride. All right, let's get started. First things first, here's what you'll need. 1 pound of ground beef, 4 large potatoes, 1 chopped onion, 2 cups of shredded cheddar cheese, 1 can of cream of mushroom soup, 1/2 cup of milk, salt and pepper to taste, a sprinkle of garlic powder, a pinch of paprika. Got all that? Awesome. Now let's get cooking. Step 1. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. While that's heating up, grab a large skillet and brown your ground beef over medium-high heat. Make sure to break it up into little pieces. Once it's all browned and delicious, drain any excess grease. Step 2. Chop your potatoes into thin slices. You want them about 1/4 inch thick. Think potato chip thin, but not thin. Step 3. In a mixing bowl, combine your cream of mushroom soup, milk, salt, pepper, garlic powder, and paprika. Mix it all up until it's nice and smooth. Step 4. Grab a 9x 13-inch baking dish and start layering. First, a layer of potatoes, then a layer of ground beef. Sprinkle some chopped onions on top. Pour a bit of your soup mixture over it. Repeat these layers until you run out of ingredients, ending with a layer of potatoes on top. Step 5. Cover your dish with aluminum foil and pop it in the oven. Bake it for about 1 hour. After an hour, remove the foil and sprinkle your shredded cheddar cheese over the top. Bake it for another 15 minutes or until the cheese is melted and bubbly. And there you have it, the best hamburger potato casserole ever. Before you dig in, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and share this recipe with your friends. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Enjoy your meal, and happy cooking.